Max of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Want to walk you through this brand new 2023 Nautique G25 Paragon. So the Paragon is the big boy of all the Nautique lineup, and I want to walk you through a lot of different options that comes with this boat. So let's take a look at the outside first. So we got this beautiful haze gray, and then we added the gold badging. So there's different badging on the outside and inside, right up in here. This is also a haze gray right in here. Got a kind of little texture to it. Looks really nice. So haze gray all the way up along the side and the bottom. And I'll mention this on the inside too, but we do have what they call the wake subs. So two 12-inch subwoofers in the transom of the boat, so you can really feel that bass as you're surfing. We come back to the transom here. So we got the nice swim platform with the anthracite sea decking on the top. And then underneath here, with all our Nautiques, you got the NSS or Nautique Surf System. You've got the surf pipe that's down in here to take the emissions and put them underneath the prop stream. And then the NCRS, which is the Nautique Configurable Running Surface, which helps with a lot of different jobs on this boat. And then our Nautique Steer Assist. So being able to take this boat and spin it in a 360 with a couple touches of a button. So we do have the seats up in here on the transom as well. We'll take a look at those a little closer when we go in. So a lot of different options. Let's go take a look. All right, we can't start with the inside of this boat until we look at the transom back here. And obviously we're gonna start with these seats. Pretty cool the way they design these. So obviously you can go back down, but if you want to, you sit them up. You can sit back here. Kids are playing, friends are back here, just hanging out. It's a great place to be. As you can see down in here, we have a tiered step all the way up and into the boat as well, with sea deck, this anthracite sea deck all over the place, so you're not stepping on any of your cushions as you're getting into the boat. So, all right, let's take a look at the interior. Being that this is the G25, like I said, this is the biggest in the lineup, so the space in this boat is enormous. There is room for everybody in your crew to come on. As you can kind of see, we have the lights on right now, and they're on a cycle, so you're going to go through all the different colors, the color wheel. You can turn that off if you like, but right now we just kind of put those on, which is kind of cool. Obviously we've got storage underneath all the seats, all on hinges. We got the lights on, so underneath here you got lighting, which is awesome. You come in at night, you can see anything you need to, grab it out with that. So I want to grab your attention to this beautiful tower. So this tower is what they call a 3-stage tower. It is controlled by just a button. So there's a button right over here that I can press, and it'll bring the tower just up and down. So bring it all the way down. You got to go underneath the bridge or bring it into your lift at the end of the day. It does go up and down, which is phenomenal. We've got the nice Nautique board racks right here. They just lift up, put your board in, and easy to use. Then we have these beautiful encased speakers. So there's dual 8.8-inch JL drivers in both of these. There is down lighting, and both these cases are specific to Paragon. So just a beautiful way, a beautiful look to the Paragon as well. So there is a seat that does pull out. I can do that real quick. With that, it actually has 3. You can go there, there, or even all the way back here. Lift this up, and you've got seating all the way around. So got some different options there. Then we'll come up to the helm area here. So in Nautique fashion, we got the beautiful helm seat, kind of a race car inspired helm seat. It's got great place to hold you in. Nice big backrest here. It does have a bolster seat if you need to use that, and then the little cutout right here for your leg to kind of go right through, which is really nice. Nice wide area for your arm to sit when you're sitting here. Super comfortable, easy to drive this boat. You can control everything with this little dial right here on the side. You can also obviously use the touch screen and touch everything that you need, but really easy when you're using the throttle to go back over here and make adjustments as you're surfing or wakeboarding. And then speaking of surfing, when I do set it up into the surfing mode, they do give you this cool little picture of the wave. So you can go between your wave shape of 1 all the way up to 10. So depending on what you want with your wave and then who's back there surfing, you can make those adjustments very easily just by the little press of a button. You can with the speed as well. The speed is all set up in the system, and you can make those adjustments on the fly. And then if you find exactly what you like, you can put your name on it, and then when you hit your name, the boat will set itself up the same every single time, which is a really nice thing to have. You don't have to make adjustments over and over and over again. So we can come to the bow of this Paragon. So I'm going to step up here. Again, 25 feet in length. This amount of space in the bow of this boat is phenomenal. We do have storage underneath both the seats as well. Grab handles. Just the look and beauty of this Paragon is, there's just really nothing like it in the industry right now. So I'm standing on some sea deck here that can help you get up and out of the boat. So there's 2 pieces right here. These can be flipped over and you still have this on the other side of it, so it becomes a bow filler cushion, which is kind of cool. You can leave it right here, and then when you want to use it, you flip them right over. All right, one last thing I wanted to mention on the Paragon. So all our Paragons, the 23 and the 25, come standard with the PCM. This is a ZZ8. This is 600 horsepower, naturally aspirated. This thing is phenomenal for the Paragon. So you can see it is actuated up. That's all done by a button as well. You've got storage underneath there because all the bags or fat sacks are all in floor, so you have storage all the way through this boat. So a lot of different options on the Paragon. This is an absolutely phenomenal boat with everything that you're going to need to be out there surfing or wakeboarding with the family and friends. Again, we're here in Rogers, Minnesota. This boat is here and ready to be looked at and is available. So if you want to come in and set an appointment, you can either give us a call or just stop on in. We'd love to see you. And as always, please click the like button and also click to subscribe, as all new videos are coming out every day. Thanks.